My first memory of St Joseph's Madden was waiting at the bottom of the steep hill, holding my mum's hand nervously, about to meet my teacher and my headmaster.
First few days at St Joseph's, I felt nervous often, but I made friends quickly and marvelled at the brilliant toys.
We spent most of our time playing, which we really enjoyed.
Miss Donlan did lots of awesome crafts, which were really fun.
Miss Donlan had lots of themes, like the time we pretended to run an airline and flew an imaginary plane.
I remember in primary 2 we visited Santa in the palace stables, which was a highlight of the year. I actually joined St Joseph's in P2. It was all very new to me, but I remember making friends very quickly and they're all very welcoming.
Primary 4 was my first Holy Communion. I wore a white dress and my hair was in curls.
Primary 6 was a very strange year because COVID-19 hit and the school was forced to close.
Well, in all parts of the UK, schools are closed to all pupils except for vulnerable children and those whose parents are key workers.
It was hard at this time because I missed my friends and we didn't leave the house as much. During this time, we also completed home learning, where each morning we would log in to find work and tasks to complete. I also remember Mr. Laughton's weekly challenge, which was always great fun.
Welcome to Raina and Nisha McCardle's obstacle course.
Hi everyone!
Out my hand, tell you to run.
P7 has been a very busy year. Although COVID hasn't infected us as much, we had to record a musical video at Christmas because we couldn't invite our parents in to watch us.
Tell you to run. Well, I would like to hold my little hand. How about running? How about crying? I would like to hold my little hand. How about running? How about crying?
Earlier this year, we made a confirmation. It was a very special day.
Send me on my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way.
We planted trees in the woods to protect the environment.
Tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody well, pick me up where golden hurt. Sail, tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody well, I would like to hold my little hand. I would like to hold my little hand. Send me on my way. 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 Send me on my way.
One of the highlights of the year were going to football, hurling and camogie blitzes. We visited the Titanic Centre in Belfast.
Reach out my hand, oh me sail, oh me tell you to run. On my way, nobody say, nobody
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Okay, round of applause, well done, Martin.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right.